When you're parking or making slow maneuvers in reverse, it helps to have a view of what's behind your vehicle. Your HD rear vision camera with guidelines shows what's behind your vehicle and displays an overlay to help you understand the vehicle's path. When you shift into reverse, your center display will show an image like this. If you see an angled grid or see lines that move as you steer, your vehicle has the HD rear vision camera with guidelines. After shifting into reverse, and as you move at low speeds in reverse, the center display will show an image of what's behind your car. The guidelines represent the size of your car and bend to show the path you'll travel as you steer. From the same rear vision camera display, you'll see alerts if an object is detected by rear park assist or rear cross traffic alert if equipped. With rear park assist, triangle alerts like these will appear and change in color from amber to red as you get closer to the detected object. The triangle will also increase in size as your vehicle gets closer to the detected object. Keep an eye out for alerts and always be sure to use your vehicle's mirrors, as well as the HD rear vision camera with guidelines for a view of any objects around the vehicle. The camera will automatically shut off after you shift from reverse into park, or when you shift into drive and begin moving forward. Your HD rear vision camera is located at the rear of your vehicle, usually above the license plate or near the top of the rear window. Keep the camera lens clean and clear of any obstructions. Some vehicle models are equipped with wash capability to help keep your camera clear. Back up a little easier thanks to the HD rear vision camera with guidelines, adding confidence to reversing and low-speed maneuvers.